Asna, 2. Chicken on a basketball, 2. They're all giddy. They're all happy. Oh, see, I said we'd get something. 60% of the ball at your ground. Ange ball. Oh, you predicted 5-2. Ha, 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 ha. Get in the bin, man. Celebrating a draw sums up your football club. Henri told you when we won the league in 04 at your ground. Tarico, celebrating a draw. That sums up your club. You're celebrating a draw again today. Disgrace. Make sure you sub to Henry Wright. Link in the title. Go on, then. I'm here for it. I'll mute my mic. Go on, load it up. Oh, we got a draw.
All I'm going to say is, right, I said 3 weeks ago, you're not that good, and we will get something at your place, right? We'll get to the ref in a minute, because that's an absolute disgrace. The one thing I'll say about that entire game that sums it all up is character. You lot, right, Odegaard. Right, I said Maddison was clear, 6-7 months ago? Odegaard today, I'm going to need a sat-nav to find him. He was, I don't even know where he was playing. Saka doesn't even look fit. Right, Havertz, useless. Declan Rice was poor. We turn up with 5 players that have never even played in North London derby. Right, we go a goal behind due to some absolute BS deflection, which on another day would go out for a throw-in. We go and get our goal. Son Pirion, Son Hugh Messi, my captain and all that. Unlike your captain who went absolutely missing for basically 2 hours. Gets his goal. Great finish. Before that, we should have had an equaliser. But, David Raya saving the Titanic and all that. Gets down. How he keeps it out is beyond me. Right? Then you get some BS penalty, which he was less than a yard from the ball. What is he supposed to do? Admittedly, his arm is high, but he's got less than a second to react, right? You get the penalty. Immediately, the next minute, we bounce back, a bit of character. If that game was under Conte, if it was under Jose, we would have completely folded. And you would have got a 3rd, a 4th, and a 5th, and you would have coasted that game. This manager, and I'm not celebrating a draw, but this manager, right, has got a proactive approach that we want to go and play football. And we went there. I don't know what the possession stats were, but I think we had more of the ball. We had good chances, and we did exactly what I said we was going to do. We'll take the game to Arsenal, and we'll come away with something. And if that was another referee, we would have won 2-1 in my prediction. Well, let's not speak about predictions, because certain people on here said 5-2, and certain people on here said they were going to wipe the floor of us. But, mate, I'll be honest, you ain't that good. Liverpool are the closest team to Man City right now. You look miles off of it.
Mate, we both had 13 shots. We had 6 on target. You had 5. You had 54% of the ball.
Yeah, so very even.
You had more passes than us by 65 more passes. You had 1% better pass accuracy. 19 fouls for you.
Very even.
12 for us. 4 yellow cards to you, 3 for us. Romero should have been booked for a foul on Jesus in the first half, but
we can say that about Odegaard. Odegaard got yellow card. He then made 2 fouls. He should have been sent off. Mate, this geezer, right? If anyone thinks he's a better footballer than James Maddison, you are absolutely tapped.
You know what I feel about James Maddison. You know I like James. I'm fuming he's playing for your club, same as Basuma. Yeah, but like I've said to you, and like I've said all season and pre-season, if Declan Rice gets injured, we're finished. Declan Rice gets injured today, we're finished. We're bringing Jorginho and Havertz on with Odegaard. Did anyone see Odegaard second half?
I think Trossard's celebration. He's trying to find him, isn't he? Where was he today, Trossard, by the way?
Injured. So we've got Martinelli injured, Partey injured, Timber injured, Trossard injured, Declan Rice injured, Saka looks injured. Yeah, Jesus, I think, went off for injury. Otherwise, that's a wild sub if he ain't injured. But
Speaking
don't worry, mate. Don't worry. We got squad depth, mate. We got squad depth. Yeah, this fan base have gassed up the squad depth. Yeah, it's not a thin squad anymore. Taking Fabio Vieira off at half time was crazy. Yeah, that was crazy. I would have kept him on. He was playing all right. Yeah, you bring on the silky German. Yeah, do me a favour.
As soon as Johnson come off, as soon as Johnson come off, that was it for us, because he was doing so much legwork for Son. And bearing in mind, that's his first ever start for us.
That's mad. Yeah, mate. To be fair, for me, that feels like a loss, because the first half, I'm just watching the rerun of it again. DAZN put the rerun on, yeah. Right. For me, nah, man. That first half, if Gabby Jesus, when he pickpocketed Maddison, if he just took another touch and then shot, he scores.
It's a lack of composure. That's Richarlison. Richarlison scores that.
Yeah, the Odegaard chant. Oh, shut up, man. Yeah, the Odegaard chants. Yeah, how many times? I think he scored against you lot last year. Same position, left foot, low driven across goal. He pings it up high. You got a tall goalkeeper. No, you go low driven. Yeah, because you can't get down quick enough. You know, the save he made for Jesus was decent, but mate, to be fair, I'll be honest, yeah, you absolutely spanked us second half. First half, I know we were talking on the phone and all that on our streams and that. First half, I don't know what you were watching. I thought we were clear, right?
Last 20 minutes. First 20 minutes, I don't think you were that good.
Last 15 minutes of the first half, yeah, you had a bit more momentum. You had a goal disallowed early on, but that was way offside. Yeah, I've just watched it again. Son, second minute, third minute offside. Other than that, you didn't get out of your half for about half an hour. Yeah, and then the first time you do, bang, goal. And it's like, come on, man. And again, Eddie Nketiah, David Raya should have punched it instead of flapping at it, but he made a mad save. That save was insane. That save of the season.
That's what I'm saying.
Was like David Seaman against Sheffield United. That was how good that save was.
Like on the balance of play, right? Vicario's first save for Gabriel Jesus, by the way, was disgusting. The first shot.
I don't think it was going in though, but what a save!
Like he quickly got a touch to it. But on the balance of play, if Raya doesn't make that save, well, obviously you're gonna say, but he did. But that Raya save, right, and the penalty. I'm going to be biased and say we should have won that. But I honestly
think you're saying that's not a penalty, Henry. Yeah, right, because he was 3 yards away from him. If his hand's not up here, yeah, if his hand's down, it's in the back of the net. It's a goal. Ben White would have scored. So his hand's up here, unnatural position. Why is your hand up here as you're sliding in? Your hand should be down by your side, but your hands are up here. If that hand's not there, that is down here. It's a goal. Ben White scores. Yeah, but
I don't know. I think it's so harsh. Like I'm taking the emotion out of it. Romero, unlucky as anything today. An own goal and he gave the penalty away, and then he got booked. But Van de Ven, by the way,
he should have been sent off. He should have been sent off because he wiped out Gabby Jesus in the first 10 minutes. Yeah, and that was a yellow card. Yeah, and he got away with it because it was the first dirty tackle in the game. He got away with it.
It's a bit of bad blood, isn't it? South America, Brazil, and all that.
But Adoji, he kept Saka quiet second half. Like, listen,
bearing in mind he was on a yellow card as well.
I'll be real with it, yeah? You deserve the draw. Yeah, and to be fair, on the balance of play, we won the first half. You dominated the second half, cool. But on the balance of play, a draw was a fair result. Both teams could have won it, but they didn't. And the draw was probably fair. But for me, it feels like a loss. Yeah, you lot are all out here cheering that you got a draw at the Emirates. That sums up your club. You got your Tottenham back. Levy told you the other day in the fan forum. Got your Tottenham back.
Well, we're in a title race, Lee. If you can't see what Levy's doing, you can nip off down the Emirates and get a draw.
Yeah, good one, mate. I know where my club's at, and I know my club ain't good enough. Hence why I've called it out all summer. Yeah, and I've said we're one Declan Rice injury away from capitulation. We bring on,
I thought he was poor as well before he got injured. I thought he was poor.
We bring on Jorginho. What was he doing at centre back, by the way?
Honestly, like for the first goal, Maddison gets past Saka. Declan Rice should be sprinting out, and he doesn't.
He was poor. He was poor. He weren't, and I said this in the first half here. He weren't on his game, so maybe he is injured. Like Sky said, he's injured. Somebody put it in my chat. Sky said he's got a little calf strain or something. Yeah, maybe he was injured, but Saka rolled his ankle. Jesus gets subbed. Well, unless Jesus is injured, Eddie should have been off the pitch instead of him. Like, mate, Arteta cost us that game today. Yeah, it cost us that game today. He overthought it. First half, we were quality. Yeah, but second half, mate. Yeah, you dominated us. Dominated.
I think to the amount of times we've gone to the Emirates and we've gone a goal behind, we've completely capitulated and completely fallen apart. I think you scored the penalty, and within 2 minutes later, we scored another goal. Son today, both his finishes very, very good. And I said, Son's got to step up today. You're captain now. There's no Harry Kane. And everyone told me, oh, you're not going to score many goals. No Harry Kane, etc. Blah, 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 blah. We've scored the third most amount of goals in the league. Only Brighton and City have scored more, and City have only scored one more than us. And this is a team that's just lost their greatest player they've had in, 15 years other than Gareth Bale. Like, genuinely, we've got Liverpool next. Liverpool have got a game midweek. I think we'll beat Liverpool, and then we've got easier games. As long as we can avoid injuries, if we can get to January, we've got 15 games between now and January. If we can get to January without any injuries and go and buy a few more players, I reckon we'll get back into the Champions League, which I know is not a trophy, but it's exactly what Levy wants. I just want us to take the FA Cup seriously. And this character, this manager is, you know, we beat Man United. Last year we lost. We beat Brentford. Last year we drew. We got a draw at your place. Last year we lost, what was it? 3-1. An absolute embarrassment. Emerson Royale red card. And yeah, some of us got quite close to our predictions and some of us went outrageous. And the history of the Emirates and all that.
Mate, it is what it is, yeah? You lot are cheering a draw. We're out of here. Sub to Henry. We're out. Laters. I'll be doing a fan cam on this channel. Link in the title, people. Adios. Oi, also, Atleti versus Real. League Reacts. 7:30 UK time. It's on ITV4 for anyone in the UK who wants to watch it. We're out of here.